Njoba Fethu. Welcome to another beautiful, fun and exciting episode of Cast and Class. And I'm your nice, beautiful, great fan host, the entertainer. All I want to do is to channel. Mina no. I want to go check some few things. We always part finding. Always part finding. Until the build is done, we will always be part finding. Until the build is completely done. Let's be healthy. My nice daily VR6. Daily. Yeah, VR6 is your petrol. We regular. Why do you buy it? If it's your petrol, don't buy it. Gona le batho ke di-target market ba ka e rela everyday. Hey, botho a e reliable. A e reliable. Na re tsebe. They say it's not reliable. We don't know about reliability. Oh, the parents are back. The parents are back, so I will not be closing the gate. Ay, mom and dad. Hey, Shabba Fanas. Your son is going part finding. Let's hurry up. Get to the 8th zone. Sometimes I stop recording because I want to eat. It's gonna be annoying for you to be listening to me chew. I'll try chewing as smooth as possible. I heard that they say there are glasses. These glasses work as a camera. Oh, those will be the best glasses in the world. So guys, I managed to get the power steering. I couldn't afford the starter. Like, I ran out of money. I don't like negotiating people's prices, so I will get what I get next time. When I no longer have money, there's nothing I can do. Nothing I can do. At least I got the power steering. So disappointed that I couldn't get everything, because I was gonna be done. I was going to be done. Ke manga tshering zaka done. Angai ke tla mo gaya. Ke fetse project. If I didn't buy the Gush, right now I would be like having enough money to finish my my Mack. But in this car game, you snooze, you lose. So if I snoozed for that BMW, I'm gonna lose. I've been asking that guy to sell me that car for many years. So he finally listened to my cry and gave in. So I couldn't let it. I couldn't even sleep that night. Couldn't let it sleep. I cried. Those who saw me that night, we were there at BP. I cried so much to that man. So my tears went straight to his heart that night. So yeah. Hey guys, I'm deflated because I wanted to buy everything and all that. But anyway, it's life. We afford what we afford. I even think this car is gonna park. Should it not have fuel anymore, it's gonna park. But at least I got the things that I needed. Slowly but surely, we will win. We will win. home. All I'm gonna need to do is to strip it off this thing, and it will be good to go. It's going into the car. But for now, guys, hey, I'm tired. I'm tired. Things to do, places to go, people to see. Today is not a working day. I'll do it next time. Oh, and there's this mountain. Yeah, guys, who wants this mountain? Whoever wants this mountain. Still nice. It just has an erect. Thing. It would work on a polo bracket. If you're using a polo bracket, it would work. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna call it a day very early today. I wanna rest. It's a rest day. This is a rest day for me. Let me rest. Allow me to rest. So being sharp. I'll work tomorrow. Let's rest, guys, so that those three guys, Sikamfana, OOO bike, OOO BYK, and Mulungu or a doctor, they can have a break today. They can rest. But I'm not done with them. The power is coming. When I leave the power, they'll know me. Yeah, so guys, that is all we have for this episode of Cast and Class. I mean, that's good, beautiful, good fun host Nkupi the entertainer. When I want to do solution, I'm gonna go rest. I'm just gonna rest. Be on the phone, text, rest.